So HGTV can really make it difficult on homeowners when it comes to doing projects that make sense, that are affordable, and can increase value in your house. Unless you are just one of those folks who has an eye for design, you understand budgeting and how to do these projects, you have that skill set or that gifting, or you got a family that can do it, it can be a really overwhelming process to know how to start, where to focus your attention, and what's going to give you the best bang for your buck. So, talk about 4 quick tips, 4 quick potential suggestions that you can focus on that will be projects that you can do as a renovation in your house that will increase value, increase curb appeal, and hopefully bring more money back for you if you're looking to refinance or sell it. So the first one is an obvious one: landscaping. I know you've heard the term curb appeal, meaning when I drive up to your house, what sense do I get of the house? Is it a well-manicured lawn? Does it have colorful plants and foliage and flowers, mature trees, fruit trees? Is it a green grass area or a well-manicured, drought-tolerant place? What kind of feeling am I getting from it? Or does it look like a disaster that has brown spots everywhere? The foliage is dying. There's not a lot of plants or fruits, and it just looks horrible, right? So my first thought is, if this is what it looks like on the outside, what is it going to look like on the inside? So spending a little bit of time just buying things like mulch, planting a few colorful trees or smaller plants, flowers can really do a lot to resuscitate the landscaping and make it look well taken care of in both the front yard and the backyard. And it's affordable. You don't have to break the bank on that. The second thing is focusing on the entrance of the house once you walk through the door. Doing something from a design standpoint with your foyer. Maybe that's an accent wall. Maybe that's new light fixtures. Maybe that's painting, or all of the above. But something that attracts the attention and makes people walk through the door and say, wow, this looks really nice. Third option is creating some type of continuity and flow between the rooms and the bedrooms. Sometimes it can be all over the place, particularly when folks have lived in a house for a long time. The rooms start to take on a life of their own, wild paint colors, weird design choices. So maybe getting back to a more safe, neutral place would be a good first start when you're creating the continuity, particularly if you're looking to sell it, right? Because you want to attract as many people as possible that are going to fall in love with the house and want to make wonderful offers on it that get you all the money you need. So first and foremost, painting all of the rooms to something that's a little more safe and neutral. You can always ask a paint store what are the popular colors to use, and use those as your baseline for the place. Maybe changing out some of the flooring, putting new carpeting in, changing out the designs of the bedspreads, the shades, blinds, new color fixtures or light fixtures, that can also be used in there, that all kind of show a certain similarity and flow from room to room. And then, of course, and I've touched on it a lot already, paint is one of your best friends. It can help you neutralize or come up with something that's a little more common that is also a showpiece for all of the various rooms in the house, kitchen, bedrooms, bathrooms, etc. Paint is one of your best friends, just simply because it can help or hurt if you use the wrong color, but it can help accentuate and make everything new. In your kitchen, if you have old cabinets, you don't necessarily have to replace the cabinets. You can just paint them a new, fresh color, and it will give a certain newness to the entire kitchen just because your cabinets have been updated. The same can be said for your bathrooms. You can also update some of the little small fixtures and their handles your sinks. You can update all of that, just little pops, stainless steel or farmer sinks, or you can do different things that are affordable that won't break the bank, and then you can pair that or complement that with some neutral, safe, but very nice paint colors, and it will make your house look entirely different. And of course, when it comes time to sell or it comes time to refinance, you will get a higher value on the house. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be leaving my contact information in the video. Please like and share. Forward this to other people that may find value in this. And then good luck with the selling process, and let me know how it goes. Blessings.